this video is not about how to get your first client. So in this video, let's see how to earn your first 1,000 rupees through video editing. See, getting your first 1,000 rupees is obviously for a beginner level, and how to get a client, that question is for at least intermediate level. And I am making this video for beginners. See, I know how much you people are desperate to earn your first 1,000 rupees. Literally, it's very much irritating not able to earn your first 1,000 rupees. That agitates your mind. Are my editing good enough? Will I be able to earn? Have I chosen the wrong skill? Many questions come before you earn your first 1,000 rupees. See, I portray this situation as the level 0. We need to reach level 1. The hardest time is to reach the level 1. Once you have reached level 1, then the next levels are not that difficult, but the most difficult is the level 1, to earn your first 1,000 rupees. That's the most difficult thing. So in this video, let's cover how to do that. See, it took me 7 months to earn my first 1,000 rupees. Okay, it wasn't easy. I got through a hell lot of self-doubt before earning my first 1,000 rupees. So just trust the process, be patient. You will get your first payment. You will be able to earn your first payment. Don't worry. And you should not worry, because I'm here guiding you step by step. So let's start. First, gather all your best works. Okay, make a portfolio out of that. Do multiple iterations. Make a good portfolio. Good one. Now you may say, how to make a portfolio? Like, we don't have money. We are broke. We can't make a portfolio. Just stop crying. Go to Canva. Search portfolio. Create a free portfolio. Okay, and publish that. That's all you need to create free portfolios. That's not a big deal. But the big deal is you need to have good quality work. I know in 7 months or in your first 6 months, you won't be able to do like some crazy VFX edit. Okay, I know that. That's impossible. But at least by far your best work, you have to cater that. Okay, now just get a basic structure of a portfolio. Your details, what you do, then the short form section or the long form section, then contact details page, and then thank you page. Or you don't want to give thank you page, it's okay. So this is the basic structure of the portfolio. Create that. Okay, then next is outreach. For you guys, for beginners, the most two effective way of outreach are through LinkedIn and the Discord. See, first I'm telling about Discord. First, let's see Discord. There are multiple servers. Okay, just search on YouTube video editing Discord servers. Join all the servers. In every server, in the job section, just post your work, your portfolio, and do it daily, because new posts comes up daily, new hiring comes daily. And now next is in LinkedIn. Create your simple profile on LinkedIn. Now you have your portfolio, you have your LinkedIn page. Okay, now just search on LinkedIn video editing. Search for post. Now filter by the past week or past month, whichever you want. And now just comment on every post where anyone needs a video editor. And the main thing is you need to have patience. If you're not getting any replies, then work on your portfolio. Needs to be more good looking, more attractive. Make that more attractive. Make iterations, make the portfolio better. Now the second condition, if you are getting replies but no one is convinced by your work, then work upon your skill. Make your skill better. There is this basic funda. If your work is good enough, obviously you will get client, obviously. So work upon your skills. And the thing is, this won't work if you do this like once a day. No, if you do this like once in a while. No, you have to do this daily, or at least once or twice week. You have to be doing this outreach process, and then trust me, you will get your first client. It's much more easier than you think. You are just overthinking about it. Just don't overthink and do your hard work on your skill. All the very best. You will get your client.